smudge and gold. There's a whole thing out there. Well, now you've done everything to the left. You can't do to the left and so forth. Yep, that's right. It's a political thing we're making. That's going to be No, we are getting old now, so we go more to the right. To the right. To the right. About the Western United States thing. It's fun. Unbelievably fun. You know, as a child, I showed in the rain of the world. And when I was growing up, the Western people out there in the western part of the United States, many of them didn't know what a lead was. And flying lead changes were just rare. And as a child, I learned to figure eight, of course. You call it figure of eight. And it means that if you're doing the right circle here, the horse should be on the right lead. And if you're changing and doing the left circle down there, then the horse should be on the left lead. Why? Because that's more comfortable and more direct direction that he's going. So if you see them in the wild, they never mix. They'll make changes and go in the right direction. So a figure of eight is really helping the horse, except if I want a left circle and I just squeeze with my right leg here, and just touching with that right spur, no pain in it, I get a left lead. So you're looking at the horse traveling now with the two left legs going a greater distance with each stride, leading the two right legs. Okay? And then I'm going to come around and I'm going to ask him to change and make a right circle. Totally moving. Now the two right legs are making the greater distance. That's the right lead. This is a right circle, right lead. Now, I'm going to come around and make it again so that you can see it. Right lead, right lead, right lead, and left lead, left lead, left lead. Totally moving. So there we are. Watch this now. I can't believe this horse. He's unbelievably intelligent. And he knew that I was going to stop coming around there. So I'm going to say, don't you stop without waiting. You know, you wait for me to say stop. Out to the west of the United States and said, yes, but your western horses require a figure of eight. And we can change our horses making flying changes on the straight. Now on the straight, there's no need for the horse. There's no motivation for him to be left lead or right lead. He's not making the circle. The only motivation is to do what you ask him to do. And if you can get him to do that without so much the better. Now you'll see some of the dressage horses switch the tail every time they make a lead change or kind of open their mouth and do like that. And they're getting some pain out of it, or they wouldn't do that. So we like the horses to be quiet and relaxed and natural. And I am one of the first people ever to say, you know, the Western horses could change on the straight too. And most of the Western people, I know, say, why? We only do figure eight. Well, now they're just now, as we speak, introducing events for Western horses where they change on the straight. Because they can. One horse can do what any horse does. You can train any horse to do whatever you want them to do. They may not be able to physically do it really well, but you can train them to do it. Kelly's here somewhere? There she is. I live under the admonition from Kelly and others around Pi that he wasn't a lead changing horse, he could do 5 lead changes. Now Kelly does all the flying lead changes you could ever imagine as a retired Pi is. But he's an amazing horse who learned it very quickly once it was put to him the right way. So let's see if Coffee, being a horse that I've only really ridden a few times, I didn't train him, I just borrowed him. But he's a lovely horse, and he can figure things out. Now I'm on the left lead, and I'm going to come around here and go straight down the lead. Left lead, left lead, left lead, right lead. Right lead, left lead, left lead, right lead, right lead, and left lead, left lead. No involved at all. No motivation to do it except to do what I'm asking him to do. And you can see that he's without stress or pressure on him. Now, we'll just try one more little thing here. I'll shorten up a little bit. Now, left, right, left, and left. The other word. There you are, the Western horse. And now, I understand that